an increased blood flow to your amygdala. Now, the other parts associated with it are also the temporal lobes. Now, I'm going to turn this around and show you the temporal lobe right here. This is your temporal lobe right here, and this is also involved with bipolar depressions. If you have bipolar depressions, because depressions are divided into bipolar and unipolar, the bipolar depressions show an increased activity in the temporal lobes and the cerebellum. The cerebellum is basically this part of your brain. This looks like a butterfly right here, as you can see. Now, as I just explained, these parts of the brains, but I forgot this one. Now, this one is the lateral ventricle. This weird motor right here is also a part of this whole cascade that is hit when it comes to depressions. This becomes bigger. This turns larger. This becomes larger when if you have a major depression. Now, and also if certain people have schizophrenia, this has been shown to become larger if you would look at it. Now, the hippocampus is also very interesting. The hippocampus is responsible for the avoidance, to avoid a certain stuff. If the hippocampus is damaged or there is a problem there, then you're just not going to avoid things and get into hot water, get into a lot of problems. And the hippocampus is also responsible for the anxiety disorders. You just get into an elevator and, claustrophobia and other kinds of matters associated with it. You panic. This starts to light up also like a light bulb, And the amygdala is also responsible for fear. And the hippocampus responsible for avoiding a certain thing. That's why when you get into the elevator, you're scared, and then you avoid going in there again ever in your life. Now, unless you get that under control. This has been a summary of depressions, mechanisms that happen in your brain.